Hi everyone, we are here at Community Live by Hyland. Super excited to be with Prasenjit, who's the CFO here at Hyland. Prasenjit, welcome to the Ravit Show. It's your debut. Super excited to chat with you. And I know we've had amazing keynote. We just came out of it. But just for our audience, would you like to quickly introduce yourself and tell us more about yourself?
Yeah, thanks, Ravit. It's great to be with you. My name
Sure.
is Prasenjit Dasgupta. I'm the CFO at Hyland.
Fantastic. Prasenjit, I know we came out of the keynote just now and there were some fantastic announcements that were made. Would you like to share a little bit about the key takeaways from the keynote with our audience?
Yeah, for me, I think the highlight of the keynote was just seeing the problems that are ubiquitous, really. Like
Right.
they're common to every single organization on the planet, big or small.
True.
And how Hyland built solutions can actually help solve those problems in a very meaningful way.
Yep.
And give time back to the employees to actually focus on the harder stuff.
Nice.
And take the mundane out of their daily lives.
That's so true. And when you kind of talk about context engine as well, that's what I kind of feel. We are in this AI world where context plays a very important role,
Yeah.
and Hyland is kind of doing it and making it easy with the CIC. Kind of also wanting to know a little bit about the customer stories here. I know you've been talking to a lot of customers, a lot of use cases that they've been sharing with you.
Yeah.
So would you like to share a little bit about that and how does it work strategically when it comes to Hyland?
Sure. As I said, and as you saw in the demonstrations, a couple of really relevant examples, right? Claims processing, unemployment benefits. I mean, you saw that there's such a huge amount of fraud / incorrect,
Exactly.
inappropriate claims, $5 billion losses. These are actually losses out of your and my pocket. We're as taxpayers, right? And so by spending a fraction of that on the technology, you can actually come up with a solution that automates that, so you actually can improve productivity and get more benefits out to the people that truly deserve them faster. But at the same time, we are able to prevent and spend time identifying the bad actors and actually have them not take advantage of the system. So I would say it's a social service in some respects, in that way. But also, I think about a lot of things that internally at Hyland that we've been working on.
Yep.
And that we have been working on in finance and legal, to improve our processes and take the mundane out of our lives. There's a lot of things I've asked my team to say, hey, any place where
Yeah.
you're like, this is manual, this is time consuming, I'm bored doing this, like let's figure out if we can't have a Hyland solution to help us solve that and
I love
unlock
it.
that.
That's the best way to do it as
Yeah.
well, like where you're building it for the larger enterprises out there, but then you can use it internally too to obviously avoid all the mundane tasks. But then another quick question for you. As a CFO, I'm pretty sure you work very closely with the product team as well,
Yeah.
and make sure where you can share your insights about which products y'all can focus on,
Yeah.
and other things as well. So kind of curious to know from your side in the next, maybe I'm not even going to say next 1 year because things kind of move in
Yeah,
our space
yeah.
very quickly.
Yeah.
So maybe in the next 5 to 6 months,
Yeah.
where do you see the space moving, and if there's, what would be the plan for Hyland?
Yeah, I think a couple of products that I'm most excited about is knowledge discovery, which is basically you take all the unstructured and structured content that you have across multiple repositories, and that's where I think Hyland is a bit differentiated, because
Yep.
we don't expect you to have content just in our systems. We can federate it across multiple systems, SharePoint, for example, and we can generate insights out of that as well, right? So if you think about knowledge discovery, right now, stuff that would not be possible for humans to do or that would take us months to do, we can just automate it on the flash, and that's something
Right.
that we are using internally as well. So that's something I'm super excited about. Process intelligence is also something I'm excited about, because there's a lot of workflows that
Right.
are currently done over email, over chat, over Teams, and the problem is you do that, but 2 months later you're like, what did I say? What was that? Why did I make that decision? And this preserves all of that, and it really helps you understand and contextualize why you did that, and then helps you improve those processes going forward.
Love it. Prasenjit, one last question for you. If folks want to reach out to you, learn more about different things, where can they reach out? LinkedIn?
LinkedIn's great.
Okay.
I'm on LinkedIn. You can reach out to me on LinkedIn or email at prasenjit@hyland.com. Both those are easy ways to get hold of me.
Fantastic. These are great insights, Prasenjit. Thanks for taking the time out. We'll keep enjoying Community
Yeah.
Live and keep chatting with all the customers, partners, and great leaders at Hyland.
Awesome.
Thank you.
It's great to talk to you, Ravit. And
Same here.
Good luck and have fun with the show.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thank you everyone for
Thank
watching
you.
us.